Hello there, this is Chris at Dubicars.com, and this is a 2015 Mercedes-Benz E350 for sale at Around the World Automobile. Hang on a second, doesn't the rear end have an E63 AMG badge? Yes, it does, as this particular E350 has an E63 kit finished in black. This executive saloon has eye-catching signature headlights with LEDs and xenon bulbs, parking sensors, 20-inch black alloys with red center locking caps and red brake calipers behind, blind spot detection mirrors, rear spoiler, twin sets of dual exhaust pipes sticking out of either side of the rear end, central locking and a reverse camera. Open the doors and you'll find 2 rows of seats covered in premium beige leather, with enough space for 5 occupants. Interior features include a multifunction steering wheel, cruise control modes, push start engine button, analog clock, cool front seats, dual sunroof, media interface, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, automatic climate control, media inputs and power memory seats. Driving the rear end is a 306 horsepower 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine mated to a 7-speed automatic gearbox. The luxury saloon launches from 0 to 100 in 6.3 seconds, before hitting an electronically capped top speed of 250 km an hour. This E350 with an E63 kit is for sale at Around the World Automobile. For more information, contact details and the price, see the description below.